That's right. She back with another Temu haul for awesome. Anyways, hey guys. Oh, my neck is still irritated. So this is like the third video I filmed explaining it. That is from Temu. It's amazing and it is not tarnishing. And I did forget to take it off while I was cooking, cleaning, and washing my hands. So she's still looking fabulous. If you guys have never heard of Temu, it is an app that you can download, and it has everything from jewelry to clothes to shoes to home decor. Oh, speaking of which, that is the cutesy pillows that I have in back. Yep, that's Temu. I got pumpkins over here, right there. Yeah, ignore the box, but yeah, right there. Temu. Flowers, Temu. Yes, I do love me some Temu, so I do place a lot of orders with Temu. So anyways, definitely make sure to check out my description box down below, because everything I show you should be listed and linked down below for you guys. And just FYI, the prices will be down there. However, they are good at having lightning deals and amazing sales, so the prices may fluctuate. Just FYI on that. My husband had just placed an order for some headphones, and they did an automatic price adjustment for him. So yeah, they do price adjustments. It's just automatically now. They do free returns, free shipping. The list goes on and on. I'll have all the information in my description box for you guys, pinned in the comment section as well. I got a whole bunch of different stuff. I actually let my kids pick out some stuff too. One bag I haven't, actually neither one of them I've gone through. So before we get into today's video, I do want to give a big thank you to my YouTube members for helping to support the channel. I appreciate each and every single one of you all, and thank you to those of you clicking the thanks button and tipping or donating to the channel if you will. And let's go ahead and jump on it, because I always get so excited I never remember what I picked. But thank you to Temu for letting your girl pick these things out. Oh, I think this is a seat cushion for my car. It looks like this. Actually, it's for my husband's car, because I feel like his vehicle is very not comfortable for my backside. If you guys didn't know, hold on, let me open this. So if you didn't know, I broke up my caboose 2 years ago. I think it was 2021. I don't know, I slipped down the stairs a few times. But anyways, it's not crazy thick. I did think it was going to be a bit thicker, but it's fine. Looks like it's got like a little pocket here as well. Okay, so I just wanted to double check. It is in fact a car seat cushion, and it's a memory type of cushion. Like I said, it's not crazy thick, but it's literally a lightning deal right now for $5.58, and it does come in a bunch of different colors. Just FYI, I got this because I thought maybe it would help with my husband's seat cushions a little bit. So it is nice and cozy and everything. But, and it has like little soft grippers, nothing crazy, but you do have these back here, and it did come with these too to help like hook to the seat. So yeah, if you are looking for some affordable seat covers, I would call them more of a cover than a cushion, because you're not going to get much cushion for the cushion, but definitely going to get a nice little seat cover. So next in here, if you guys see my curls, okay, so they've kind of fallen out just a smidge, but like that's the most that my hair will hold curls. And it's lovely, because when I do like an actual curling iron type of dealio, it looks good for like 5 seconds and then it flattens out. Heatless curls is the way to go. And it's funny because Haley and I were talking about it today when I was taking mine out. It's like, yeah, she's like, it's less damaging to your hair. So what I like about the Temu one is, one, really crazy affordable, like big time, and it comes with everything you need. So I had spent like 15 or 20 on the one that I have currently, and all it came with was this and these little doodads, and it did not have the hair clip. So the nice thing with these is you literally, let me just show you guys. You'll put this thing in your head, and then you clip one side. Like some will clip it in the middle. I clip one side and then I work one side. I like this one because it's actually longer than the one that I have, so it's gonna tie behind your head even easier. So yeah, this literally a few bucks. This will make a great gift. And I always talk about on my other channel, like if you are getting married, I say that because my oldest is getting married next May. If you guys want to check out a video of bridal dresses and mother of the bride try-ons, check out my other channel, Hotmess Momma Vlogs. But this would make a good gift for your bridesmaids, in my opinion, if they want like curls in their hair, whatever. But I love these heatless curls, and it does come with the little satin scrunchies, which are amazing. And like I said, it does come with the clip. This, you can't beat it. And honestly, it darn near feels like the crazy like name brand one that I bought. Save your money, just get it from Temu because the price is better. So, and then also it comes with directions or instructions if you guys are curious, and I think it came in other colors too. Yes, this is so cute. I probably should have got multiples. Oh my gosh, it even comes with the little sticky hooks to hang it up. How nice is that? I think I'm low-key gonna go wrap this around my mailbox. I think that would be adorable. I love this, and it matches one of the wreaths that I got that I've got hanging on the door. This is so freaking cute, and like I said, it's so affordable. I did drop and knock off some of the little foam balls, but it still looks completely okay. And for the price, there's multiple stickies on here. The little sticky hooks. That is nice, because I don't know about y'all, but I've bought Garland in the past to put on my mantle for Christmas, and I have to purchase the stickies. So I love that they include it in this. Next, I got some bath mats, because, well, the ones I have now, they just get wet and absorb all the water, and it's just like takes forever to dry them out. And these, I thought I'd get one for the kids' bathroom. It's just a simple like white cushiony one, and it's got the typical type of grip on the back. It's not a crazy good grip, but it's not bad. I've got a lot of the Temu rugs throughout my house, but I thought this was cute, and I thought I could put it in the kids' bathroom, like so when they get out of the bath. And then in mine, I got gray. I like it because it will like dry faster, I thought. So nice little simple ones. I think you can get these in different sizes too, but I just wanted like a little foot mat. Nothing like crazy big or anything. That's up close what it looks like. Not insanely fancy, but you're not paying an arm and leg and a left kidney. Okay, so if you guys don't know, I feed the neighborhood cats. Okay, and one we're getting really close to. We think she's a she, comes in our house. You guys may have seen her on camera a couple times. So yeah, I'm picking things out for her now. I know nothing about cats, just FYI. So you guys actually helped me with some of the information, but this is a little mat that it's like a doormat. Okay, so yeah, I thought this would be really cute to put by my back door, something when she comes in, because look at the texture. I thought maybe she might like the texture of it. It's kind of like grippy kind of thing. I don't know. I also have a mat that I got from Temu. When you walk in my house, it says check your vibe before you come inside, where we'll put like our shoes and stuff. So I may, honestly, I may put this down by our stairs, because we don't wear shoes in our house, but the kids will sit on the stair, and then their shoes will be on the ground to like put their shoes on. So I may put it here too, like right in front of there. But it says every day is Catter Day. I just got it. It's so cheesy, but it's cute. So anyways, like I said, I may put it by the back door so when she comes in, but I also don't want her to like rip it up. So I don't know, but either way, I love these doormats. I've got a lot of them. I've got them outside, front door, back door, and also FYI, they're so affordable that you guys, if you don't know, we go camping a lot. So we'll get those and put them outside of our tent to put our shoes on and everything. They're great. Okay, so this one I'm already said because I think I got too small of a size, but that's okay. They have free returns. Yeah, darn it, I did. Oh well. So honestly, that could be cute in front of my my sink. Doesn't really match though. Anyways, I thought I was getting like, it's a nice like runner style, which could be good for shoes too. But I thought it was more of like, see how wide this is, like how long it is. Well, I thought it was that way, like two of these on top of each other. But anyways, I thought they were really cute, and in my head I was going to put the cat one on top of here, but this is going to be too narrow. But I know I'll find something to do with it because it is really cute. I like the colors. Same type of thing on the back. It's got like a little tiny grip, just a little bit, like not a lot. So depending on how much traffic it's getting, you may want to put like an extra something down so it doesn't slide, kind of thing. But it is cute. I just need to get a wider size. They're more pillow covers. How cute are these? Okay, you know what? I've got the blue ones for fall, but now I may just switch because these are like fall-esque, where these are Halloween-y. This is so cute. So I need to get the matching placemats. I keep saying that, but yeah, it may just stay with a pink theme, which I absolutely love. The other ones I had that I used to have on here was like the gray and teal, which is really pretty and it went nice, but I am more of a pink girl. And I love pink and gray together. Fun fact, our bedding is pink, gray, and white. So I may be able, I kind of like them being down here on the couch where everybody can see them and appreciate how freaking adorable they are. You guys, I say it every time that I show you guys these pink, or these pillow covers. I have washed them. I wash them in Delicate. I dry them on low, and I literally have had 0 issues. And they have like a little zipper, and knock on wood, we haven't had 1 issue with any of the zippers or anything. So if you are looking for nice affordable pillowcase covers, you get a pack of 4. There's 4 in here. They're such a good deal. And they're kind of like a canvasy. So if you're buying them thinking you're going to sleep on them because they're so cozy, don't expect that. Okay, don't expect that. It is like a canvasy, affordable type of material, but they are aesthetically very pleasing, and I love them. All right, I think this is like for organization. If you guys don't know, I very much have been on an organizing kick. All right, so they have these nice, like, you could throw blankets in here and then store them under your bed or something. But look how nice and big this is. So again, it's not crazy like thick material, and with the seasons changing and everything, I thought, you know, I could store, like, you could store your summer clothes in here. Do you see? It's like the size of a hamper. So I feel like if you have a kid in college or whatever, and they're changing over from summer clothes to the fall and winter clothes, they could like store all of their clothes in here, ship them back home or what have you. So that was kind of my thought process on these. But I don't know, they came in different colors too. They've got 2 zippers, and they're not like I said, it's not like an insane, like, oh my gosh, $100 bag or nothing. It does what you need it to do. Oh my gosh, my son is gonna be so excited. He has been wanting one of these so bad, and he's been like, I let my kids, like I said, pick stuff out that they want with Temu, and he has been working out a ton, and his muscles are sore. So this is a massage gun, and this is nice. This is really nice. Wait, hold on, I gotta put a thing in here. So you've got a charger, you've got the your user manual, you've got the different instruments and everything in here. Wow, this is so nice. Down here is the button to turn it on. Oh my gosh, it's freaking digital. This is nice. Wow, this is so much nicer than the one I bought like 2 years ago. Not from Temu. Well, Temu. Oh, wow. This is really nice. I want my husband to use this on my shoulder. Oh, wow. Oh, this feels really good, y'all. Okay, sorry about that. Brief intermission. Wow, this is fancy. My boy is going to be so excited, and I will have to be using this because, wow. He's going to be freaking geeking when he gets home from class. That is so nice. That is much nicer than the one. I returned the other one from a different place that we had picked one up at. It was not as nice as this. This is an excellent gift. I would definitely say pick this up for Christmas. Okay, friends, so that is everything for today's Temu haul. We got some good things, and honestly, this, amazing. like absolutely amazing. 10 out of 10. I'm gonna have to recommend. Like I had to take a brief intermission there. If you're like me and you struggle with like shoulder issues, and right now I'm able to like start working out again a little bit more with the weights and whatnot, and it gets so sore, and this is a must. Like I said, my son wanted it, but I will be borrowing it. I think Sugar Dumplings is coming back in. Okay, I'm gonna hop off. I'm gonna go show her the cute little mat, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Any discount codes and everything will be down in my description box for you guys. Thank you to Temu for letting your girl pick these items out. Check me out on my other channels, Hotmess Momma Vlogs, Hotmess in the Kitchen. I'm on TikTok and Instagram at Hotmess Momma 4, and check my description box down below for everything you saw in today's video. You truly just can't beat the deals. Download the app, check it out for yourself, and until next time, friends, as always, kisses from Kentucky. Mwah! Bye.